Good morning, children. Today we will start with our next chapter of GK. Title of our chapter is Travel Diaries. In this chapter, we will learn about the most famous buildings around the world. These buildings could be old monuments or these could be famous skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are those buildings which are very tall, which is why the name of skyscrapers has been given to those buildings. These buildings are famous in one way or the other. They are famous either for their design, their size, their beauty, or their history. For example, you already know about Taj Mahal, which was made by Shah Jahan in memory of his second wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Thus, the name Taj Mahal was given. So, in this chapter, we are going to talk about these type of buildings. Not only old monuments such as Taj Mahal, but some famous buildings such as the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. But this is not all. We will learn a lot more as we go through the chapter. As we did in the first chapter, you will see the picture of your question in front of you on the screen, and you will be able to see its qualities and remember it for the future. So let us begin. First question. Look at the pictures to identify famous skyscrapers from all around the world and pick your answer from the help box. So as you can see, 6 pictures have been given, and what is common between these is that all these buildings are skyscrapers. Let me tell you again, skyscrapers are those buildings which are very tall, which touch the sky. That is why the name skyscrapers has been given to them. So let us begin. The first one is from Dubai, UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. It's a country in the Middle East. So this building, the name of this building is Burj Khalifa. This is the tallest building in the world. It has 163 floors. It is more than 850 meters tall, and it is situated in Dubai. Number 2. This building is situated in Shanghai, which is in China. Now, as you can see in the help box, we have Shanghai Tower. So this can be easily identified as the Shanghai Tower. Shanghai is in China, and this is also one of the tallest buildings in the world. This is from China. Question number 3. These are twin towers. Twin towers name has been given because these are two. They stand together. These are equally tall, and these are situated in Kuala Lumpur, which is in Malaysia, which is a country in Asian continent. So the name of these towers is Petronas Twin Towers. Name is Petronas Twin Towers, as you can see in the help box. These are situated in Malaysia. On number 4, we have another tall building which is from Dubai, UAE. Now this has been shaped like a boat. So this is designed very uniquely, and it is very eye-catching. So this is again situated in Dubai of United Arab Emirates in the Middle East, and the name of this building is Burj Al Arab. You can see the spelling in the help box. It is Burj Al Arab. Moving to number 5, we have a building from United States of America, which is in the New York City. Another name which has been given, or which is called by many people as the Big Apple. So New York City is also called the Big Apple, and this building has been shown. So the next one is Empire State Building. It is situated in New York City, also known as the Big Apple of the United States of America. This building is 380-meter tall, and it was made from 1930 to 1931. Moving to the sixth one, we have another building from United States of America. It is situated in Illinois. So the pronunciation of the city's name is Illinois, and it is situated in United States of America. Name of this building is Willis Tower. This building has 110 floors, and it is 1450 feet tall. This was completed in 1973. With that, the skyscraper part has been completed. Now let us move to the second question. Second question is, read the clues to identify some architectural marvels of the world. Pick your answer from the help box. Now these are architectural marvels because there are very few buildings which rival the design of these monuments. These are not monuments, and these are some well-known architectural feats of humanity. because these are unique not only in their design but also in their heritage and what they represent. So let us go through them one by one. Number one, this was the world's tallest building until 1931. It is symbol of the city of Paris. So this is one of the most famous monuments around the world, and this is situated in the city of Paris. Name of this is not a building but it is a tower made of iron, and the name of this tower is Eiffel Tower. We have almost everybody has heard of it. It is situated in Paris. Until 1931, it was the tallest in the world, but after that, another skyscrapers were made, and this was no longer the tallest one in the world. So the title is Eiffel Tower. Moving to the second one, the whole world knows this. This shimmering white marble structure in Agra was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. So built by Shah Jahan and built for his wife Mumtaz Mahal, and this is the Taj Mahal. This is arguably the most famous building in the world and the most beautiful one at that. But due to pollution, it is being the color is being changed a little, but government is taking a few steps to rectify that. Moving to the third one of the seven new wonders of the world. This is 98 feet tall statue, and it is one of the most famous landmarks of Brazil. So this statue of Jesus Christ is situated in Brazil, and the title or the name of the statue is Christ the Redeemer. So situated in Brazil, it is the statue of Jesus Christ, God of Christians. Number 4, the famous bell sits inside the sits inside the clock tower of the British Parliament in London. So in the British Parliament of London, this is a building, and in this building there is a bell. So the building is not the Big Ben. बिग बैन इज द क्लॉक. जो बिल्डिंग के अंदर एक क्लॉक लगी हुई है, जो बेल है अंदर, जिसके ऊपर गोंग लगता है, जिसकी वजह से आवाज होती है, उसका नाम बिग बैन है. स्ट्रक्चर का नाम बिग बैन नहीं है, स्ट्रक्चर का नाम है एलिजाबेथ टावर. सो दिस इज अ कॉमन मिस्टेक एवरीबॉडी मेक्स. बेल जो है अंदर वो है बिग बैन, बट बिकॉज फेमसली इसको बोल दिया जाता है, विच इज वाई एवरीबडी थिंक्स कि यही बिग बैन है, बट इसका नाम है एलिजाबेथ टावर, और अंदर जो बेल लगी हुई है उसके, दैट is known as the Big Ben. So answer for the fourth one is Big Ben. Moving to the fifth one, known for its flower-like shape, this structure in Delhi is Baha House of Worship. So this is situated in Delhi and it is shaped like a lotus. Its name is Lotus Temple. Now let's move to this third question. Third question is identify where these famous landmarks are located. Take the correct answer in the options. So there is a question given. There are three options given, and by looking at the picture, you have to tell where are these located. So let us begin. The first one is the famous Sydney Opera House is surrounded by the Sydney Harbour on three sides. Which country is it located in? Sydney is a very famous city. It is located in Australia. So the question has given that it is the Opera House is located in Sydney. So we can easily tell that the answer is Australia. And Opera House is sort of a theater but only for the vocal performances. जो singers होते हैं, opera singers एक अलग category होती है singers की. So जो opera singers होते हैं उनके लिए this type के acoustic rich environment create करना होता है, and which is why इसको इसी तरीके से डिजाइन किया गया है, and it is very famous, and some of the most famous performance in opera have been given there. Moving to the second question, if you are visiting the Golconda Fort, which Indian state are you in? So the Golconda Fort is situated in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is in Telangana state of India. Now Golconda Fort was very rich once upon a time because of the diamond mines. इसके आसपास diamond mines होती थी और उसकी वजह से ये काफी ट्रेड में रिच था, और उन डायमंड्स को नेम दिया जाता था गोलकोंडा डायमंड्स. Third question, the Colosseum is the largest amphitheater in the world which could house up to 87,000 spectators. In which city is it located? Now a brief history about the Colosseum. Colosseum was built in the Roman Empire. रोम का जब एम्पायर राज करता था उस समय इसको बनाया गया था by their kings, और there was just one purpose. इसका एक पर्पस था कि it was used as a theater, but instead of giving movie like performances, यहाँ पे battles होती थी, battles of people against people, people against animals, and the civilians used to go there. Up to 87,000 civilians एक साथ इसके अंदर जा सकते थे, and they were able to look at or spectate the fights of the people. So that was why this was made, and it is one of the most famous buildings, and it is situated in Rome. So option number third is the correct answer for this one. Question number 4. The Forbidden City is a place, or it's a palace, that has been home to the emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasty for more than 400 years. In which city you find it? So the Forbidden City is situated in Beijing, which is the capital of China. So it has been housed, or it houses, the Ming and the Qing dynasty, and it did so for 400 years. The last question is, Borobudur is the world's largest Buddhist temple. Where is it located? So it is located in Indonesia, and you can see the design, which is quite different from everything else we know. So this temple is situated in Indonesia. Indonesia country का prominent जो major religion है वो Buddhism है, and which is why the largest temple exists over there. And you can see the design. It has a little cone up its head and a few holes in the surrounding, and people visit just to see the architecture of it. No, you will not find these type of architectures anywhere else in the world. With this, we move to the next question, the last question of the chapter. Different and unusual modes of transportation are used in different parts of the world. Draw lines to match the vehicle to the country they are found in. So you can either draw the line, or you can just write ABCD in the little star that has been made. So gondola. The first one is gondola. Gondola is a little boat. It is used to travel in the canals of cities in Europe, especially in Italy. So what happens is, you hire these boats, and just like in India you hire a taxi to move around, there the streets are covered with water. स्ट्रीट्स में पानी होता है, और उसी तरीके से उनको डिजाइन किया गया है. सो गोंडोलास का यूज किया जाता है. सो देयर इज अ गोंडोला ऑपरेटर, और ट्रेवलर्स उसके गोंडोला में बैठते हैं, एंड ही टेक्स देम अराउंड द सिटी टू सी famous sites. These are very famous. If you get to see a few of the Western movies, you will find these gondolas in those movies. Question part 2, bamboo train. So where is this bamboo train used? So the bamboo train is used in Cambodia. So how this works is, it works on the railway tracks. So railway के जो ट्रैक होते हैं उन्हीं के ऊपर ये ऑपरेट करती है, बट आयन का डिजाइन ना लेके ये यूज करते हैं बैम्बूज को, बिकॉज वहां पे बैम्बूज काफी इजीली अवेलेबल हैं. दे आर लाइट इन वेट, सो इनको कैरी करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके भी जाया जा सकता है, एंड दीज आर अ मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन विच इज यूज्ड बाय देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, शिनकानसेन. नाउ द शिनकानसेन इज ए बुलेट ट्रेन, एंड बुलेट ट्रेन इज मेड बाय जापान. सो जापान में ये यूज की जाती है, और इसकी स्पीड इज वन ऑफ द हाइएस्ट in the world, and this is used as a mode of daily transportation by the people of Japan. On number 4, we will find cyclo. Now cyclo is used in Vietnam. It is a reverse rickshaw. रिक्शा जो होता है उसका opposite है एक तरीके से. इसमें ड्राइवर पीछे होता है, the peddler is at the back, और जो and the tourist sits in the front of the vehicle. So as you can see in the picture, tourist आगे बैठा हुआ है और उसको चलाने वाला पीछे बैठा हुआ है. The opposite of which happens in India. रिक्शा में चलाने वाला आगे होता है, and the traveler sits at the back. And at last we have fluka. Fluka is used in the Egypt country, and it is also a mode of transportation, mostly used for the travelers, or we can say it is used mostly by tourists as a mode of transportation, not only as a mode of transportation but as a mode of enjoyment and recreational activity. So with that, the second chapter comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new. If you have any issues, you can ask me. Till then, wait for the next chapter. Thank you.